Hello everyone! Today we are going to understand what Stakeout Line is and how we can use this feature in the SurveyPod app. In surveying, stakeout means marking points or lines on the ground according to a design or plan. SurveyPod offers two stakeout modes: Stakeout Line for accurately marking linear features such as roads, pipelines, and boundaries, and Stakeout Polygon for efficiently setting out complete areas and site layouts. Let's open the SurveyPod app and understand how the Stakeout Line feature actually works. Once the base setup is completed, open your SurveyPod app and log into your ID. Once logged in, create a new project, and give your project a suitable name and hit Apply. Once the project is created, click on the left side arrow and select Import. Choose Import Type as Files. Now, we can import the KML file of the line we are staking out. So choose File Format as KML and import your file. Once the file is imported, you can choose a color for your points and hit Plot. Now, click on the line, press Stakeout. Now, we have three options to choose from. Option 1, To the line. This option will help us reach the nearest point on the line. Option 2, Interval and Offset. This creates stakeout points at regular distances along the line with an optional offset from the edge. Option 3, Along the line. This option guides you along the line from one point to another. Select Type as To the line and hit Apply. Once you are on the line, you can go back and select the option along the line. You can now easily stake out the line from one point to another, completing the stakeout process. Now, let us understand the interval and offset feature and how it works. Interval is the distance between each stakeout point along the line. For example, if the line from point A to point B is 100 meters long and you set an interval of 10 meters, SurveyPod will automatically create stakeout points at 10 meters, 20 meters, 30 meters, and so on along the line. Offset allows you to stake out points at a fixed distance from the original line. This is useful when the actual line is inaccessible, or when you need to create a parallel alignment for construction, utilities, or safety purposes. To use this feature in the SurveyPod app, click on the Interval and Offset option. Here, you can set the interval and offset according to your use case and hit Apply. Now, by going to every point, we can stake out each point here with offset applied. I hope you understood how to stake out a line using all three features in SurveyPod app.